Hey everyone, this is Naurin and welcome back to a new session of English with me. Today, we are going to look at ways or the secrets to master English grammar without studying. You can actually learn grammar without the need of hours of tedious, that dull, boring study session. Many English learners have a feeling or they believe that you need to completely dip yourself into grammar. You need to spend long hours with a lot of effort, requires endless memorization and hard work to learn English. Let's learn English in an enjoyable and effortless manner. This is an effective approach to learn English grammar without stressing yourself. The first technique is immersive learning. Surround yourself with English in your daily life. Wherever you look, there needs to be English. For example, start watching English language movies and TV shows. This exposes you to natural language usage, and you can also see the grammar structures without conscious effort. You will be learning English without your conscious mind. It will get into your mind on its own. By immersing yourself in English content, you will absorb grammar rules and usage patterns of different grammars organically. This is the organic knowledge. You are not doing anything artificial. This is organic ones. This is how children learn their native language. They observe their surroundings, they hear everything from their surroundings and they learn their native language. We don't usually go and teach them like their native language like A, B, C, D. We don't teach them, right? They get it, they grasp it from their surroundings. Same like that, you can immerse yourself in English and learn English grammar easily. The second technique is reading for pleasure. Reading is a powerful way to improve grammar skills. Don't focus only on grammar textbooks. Explore variety of items like novels, newspapers, magazines. Read different items. Now, how should you read it to grasp the grammar? Take an example, take a novel. While reading a novel, pay attention to the sentence structure, the verb tenses, how the verb is used in each sentence, and also look for the punctuations. See, when you're reading, you are exposed to different grammar areas. Like you can see a lot of adjectives, adverbs, how to use pronouns. You can see a lot of items when you read English. So start reading different materials. Don't just keep on revising your grammar textbooks. That might be boring after some time. Let's leave that and start reading different materials. Without knowing, you will actually learn English grammar by this method easily. Now the third technique is conversational practice. Regular conversational practice is important to improve your grammar as well as fluency in English. Find opportunities to engage in conversations with native speakers or any language partners or anyone who know very good English. Join any language exchange programs or groups or meetups or any online platform where you can practice English regularly. Also, choose a supportive environment to learn English. Someone who can correct you, someone who can help you improve and correct your mistakes in a friendly manner. Don't choose someone who makes fun of you for your English. Choose your platforms or groups or friends, anyone, wisely. Through conversational practice, you will gain confidence and fluency while naturally applying these grammar rules. And whenever you go wrong while speaking the grammar, there is a partner to correct you, to help you. The fourth technique is writing for expressions. Expressive writing allows you to use your grammar skills a lot. Start a journal, write a story, or create a blog and start using English. Focus on conveying your thoughts rather than focusing on perfection. Don't look for perfect ideas and thoughts and sentences. Just give your thoughts, whatever you like. Just express it. Just write it. Start writing your daily experiences, your dream, your goal, or even the current trending topic, day in my life. You see a lot of vloggers taking day in my life. Actually, I feel like doing one, but I'm kind of very shy to do that. They have that enthusiasm, that idea to show people how was their life and what all happens in their life. It's nice. Let's come back to our topic. So, writing regularly can enhance your grammar. It can also boost your creativity. You might be thinking how, without even thinking about grammar, writing without perfect grammar can improve your grammar. It can actually do it. Without knowing, you will improve grammar in all these ways. Initially, there will be a lot of mistakes, but don't worry, you can overcome those mistakes and you can improve your grammar. I have a friend. She used to write notes for everyone from our class. She used to help our co-mates to write the notes. She writes a lot of notes and projects for others. She have a very good helping mentality, but actually it became an advantage for her. She improved her English, and that was really amazing. Just by writing English notes, she improved her grammar. She improved her sentence structures. There was a drastic change in her English. From the beginner level, she moved to intermediate level just by writing notes. See the magic. Our elders used to say, my mother and, our teachers used to say to us that write and learn. It will stay in your mind. It will be there, memorized easily. So try that method. Try writing and improving your English grammar. The fifth technique is learning through media analysis. Now, this is not something very difficult. This is very simple. Analyze English media around you, such as advertisements, English songs, movie scripts. This can deepen your understanding of English grammar. Pause, rewind, and take notes while studying media content. For example, take an advertisement and see how the sentences are structured in it. There might be a caption or a tagline for each advertisement. Look into it. How is it formed? Or simply the dialogues. You can see proper English in these advertisements, in English song lyrics, movie scripts, anywhere. These medias have very good, proper, common English. We have a lot of topics in grammar. Find each topic and start looking for it in different medias. By actively engaging in these medias, you will have a keen eye for grammar formation in the real world. You are looking for examples from your real world. You are not being spoon-fed. You are actually exploring grammar by yourself. This can help you improve your grammar very easily and without studying, without actually spending long hours on these grammar books. Yeah, you need to understand what is preposition, what is pronoun, what is adverb. You can look for a video or read about it, but don't just memorize it. Search for that topic from different reading materials like novels, magazines, or from movies or TV shows or songs, or from news, from conversation. Like that, learn grammar from your surroundings. So guys, this is all about mastering English grammar without actually studying it. I hope this video was useful for you to learn grammar without looking at those thick, boring grammar textbooks. So guys, this is all for today. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye-bye.